So let us continue our yesterday's tenses chapter. So let us begin. Yesterday we studied simple present, or you may call it as indefinite present tense. We studied present continuous. We studied present perfect, and we studied the tips, or the you can say the simple formulas by which you can very well identify or understand the tense in a better way. So let us begin, children. Let us continue with that. Give the title, the fourth type of simple present tense, present perfect continuous. I have already written on the board, present perfect continuous. Children, now up till now, if you have understood properly, you can yourself make the bracket. How it is, what terms, what helping verbs we have to use, you can make on yourself. Let us begin. See. Now, yesterday I told you when it is present perfect, children, we learn it in the form of poem also. Present perfect has have. Present perfect has have. Okay. So let us write has have. Now you know very well what we use in continuous. We use verb in the form of ing. Sorry. We use verb in the form of ing as it is continuous. So here we make our bracket, the terms which we have to use while making the sentence. Children, I would like to tell you here, there is one more guest here in our bracket, and that is been, and that is been. Okay, now how to remember this? I'll give you very simple. You know all Mr. Bean, एक कार्टून आता था, वो सबने देखा होगा. That spelling was different, but you can take it as a homophone. You know very well Mr. Bean. तो Mr. Bean जो है हमारे गेस्ट है. कहाँ पर? Present perfect continuous में. So remember in this way कि present perfect continuous में Mr. Bean हमारे गेस्ट होते हैं. We have to use it in our sentence. So ये बन गया हमारा यूज करने वाला ब्रैकेट. आई रिपीट, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट हैज हैव, कंटिन्यूअस में वर्ब को आईएनजी लगेगा और मिस्टर बीन हमारे गेस्ट है, which makes our present perfect continuous. Let us have the example, children. You will understand more better. Meena has been doing her work since morning. Pay attention on the sentence, children. All of you look on the board. I have written one example of present perfect continuous on the board. See, Meena is singular, so I have used has. Mr. Bean तो guest है, हमें उन्हें compulsory use करना ही है. Do को मैंने कर दिया है doing. Why? Because it is continuous. Meena has been doing her work since morning. यहाँ पर हमें time mention करना है, because इसमें जो action होती है, the action in present perfect continuous, इसमें जो action होती है वो start हो चुकी होती है somewhere before, somewhere in the past. वो एक्शन पहले से ही स्टार्ट हो चुकी होती है, बट एज इट इज प्रेजेंट चिल्ड्रन, प्रेजेंट, तो वो एक्शन अभी भी चल रही होती है. Remember, the action is started in the past and is going on in present also, and you don't know when it will be finished. Meena has been doing her work. Meena जो है वो अपना काम कर रही है सुबह से, मॉर्निंग से लगातार कर रही है. Got it? So when you see the sentence, you can very well identify सेंटेंस एज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. तुम्हें क्या देखना है कि हैज हैव लगा है सेंटेंस में, तो हैज हैव में तो टीचर ने प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट हैज हैव कहा है, सो इट इज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट. अरे वर्ब को तो यहाँ आईएनजी लगा है, तो ये हो गया कंटिन्यूअस, और टाइम भी बता रहा है यहाँ पे. सो द सेंटेंस गिवन टू यू इज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. गॉट इट चिल्ड्रन? Let's have one more example. You will know it, understand it in more better way. The kids have been playing. The kids have been playing since evening. Or you can say kids have been playing since 4 p.m. The kids playing since 4 p.m. You can see here, children. The kids are plural. So I have used have because plural जो है वो have में लगता है. Have जो है वो plural में लगता है. Mr. Bean को हमें we have to use it compulsory in present perfect continuous. और play को मैंने लगा दिया है ing. Why? Because it is continuous. Since 4 p.m. मतलब बच्चे जो है वो 4 बजे से खेल रहे हैं. See, the action has been started in the past. 4 p.m. Now suppose 7 p.m. 8 p.m. 4 लगातार खेल रहे हैं. It has been started in the past and is going on continuously. Present perfect continuous. Please note it down, these examples. So in this way, children, you can make your own examples also using this bracket. Use singular, for singular use has, for plural use have, use Mr. Bean, and use verb with ing. You can make your own also. So here, finished our simple present tense. We have studied the 4 types of it. Simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. So I hope you have understood this present tense, children. Let's move to the next tense, and that is past tense. Give the title in your notebook. Past tense. Now, as I told you in the beginning of this lecture yesterday, also has 4. So we shall learn simple past. Give the title as simple past. Now, what is simple past? You know very well, children, past tense action हो चुकी है in the past, right? Let's have some example. Here also it is related to past habit. You can say past habit. जैसे present tense में हमने देखा था, it is related with the facts, it is related with the habit. Let's have an example. She danced very well. Here also there is no helping verb, children. The verb is directly in the past tense. देखो यहाँ पे ed लगा है, dance, danced. That means it is, the verb is in past tense. They walked very fast. They walked very fast. Here the is in past tense. Verb is in past tense. So when it show the past habits, it is simple past tense. Simple past tense. Let's move on. The next comes the next in the past tense. You know the name, past continuous. Second type is past continuous. Okay, children, you can make the bracket on your own. Let's see. Now as it is past, children, remember in the present we have used the helping verb as am, is and are, right? So as it is past, remember the helping verb will always be was or were. Remember this, very important. Was or were. Was for singular and were for plural. This is very basic. प्लस वर्ब कंटिन्यूअस का तो तुम्हें पता ही है अच्छी तरह. कंटिन्यूअस में हम वर्ब को ing लगा देते हैं. Okay? Let's have the example. My okay, we'll take it. Tina was planning to go for picnic. Tina was planning to go for picnic. Sorry. Children, you can see on the board, I have used was for singular subject. Then I have joined ing for the verb plan, planning. Plan, planning to go for picnic. So this becomes our past continuous tense. Note it down, please. These brackets are very important. The Let's have some more example of past continuous tense. My parents were coming. My parents were coming late at night. Okay, look on the sentence. My parents were coming late at night. So here parents is plural. So we will use here were, and we will for the main verb come. यहाँ पर come जो है it is main verb. So come को we have joined ing, so it becomes coming, and the sentence is past continuous. How you will know it is past? Because helping verb is were. Was and were is always used in past. Was and were is always used in past tense. Remember. So by seeing this helping verb, you can identify the sentence as past continuous. By seeing this ing and by seeing this helping verb, you can identify the sentence as past continuous. We shall move to next type. Which will be next type, children? Past perfect. Give the title past perfect. Okay. Now I hope you remember what I have told you for the present perfect. Has, have. So in the same way, you will remember here past perfect only had. Past perfect only had. Right? Past perfect only had. Plus PP. Had plus PP. That is past participle. Yesterday also I told you कि has, have का friend होता है PP. Third form of the verb. Past participle. Third form of the verb. तो has, have and had ये तीनों का friend होता है PP. Whenever you use has, have, had, use the third form of the verb, children. PP. You will understand more by example. Here, the plane had landed before it reached. Action जो है in the present perfect I told you कि present में वो action 100% हो चुकी होती. So in the same way, in the past, this action is completed 100% in the past. From the example, you will understand better. The plane had landed. The plane had landed before we reached. Right? मतलब plane जो है वो land कर चुका था past में ही. प्लेन जो है वो लैंड कर चुका था बिफोर वी रीच्ड. हमारे जाने से पहले ही प्लेन लैंड हो चुका था. ओके, सो दिस मेक्स अवर पास्ट परफेक्ट. रिमेंबर चिल्ड्रन, द so how do you know it is past perfect? We have used here had. verb is in third form, PP form, past participle form. So you can very well identify it is past perfect. Let's have more examples. The sweets sorry the children had eaten the sweets. Look on the next sentence, children. The children had eaten the sweets. Now here again there is had, and you can see here the verb is in third form, past participle. Eat, ate, eaten. Eaten is the third form of the verb. So we have used had, we have used third form of the verb. So again you can identify the tense as past perfect. जहाँ पर सेंटेंस में had आ गया और जहाँ पर थर्ड फॉर्म So the children had eaten the sweets. Such examples are of past perfect tense. I hope you have written it, children. Let's move ahead to the next type. You know very well the next type, that is past perfect continuous. What is the next type? Write down the title. Past perfect continuous. Okay. Now चलो इसका अभी ब्रैकेट बनाते हैं. पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. अभी पास्ट परफेक्ट ने मैंने क्या कहा था? वी हैव टू यूज हैड. कंटिन्यूअस यू नो वर्ब को आईएनजी लगाना है. अब पास्ट प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस में कौन गेस्ट आया था? यस, बीन, मिस्टर बीन. सो इन द सेम वे चिल्ड्रन, here also we have to call our guest Mr. Bean. So past perfect continuous में भी been use करना है. So our bracket makes had, been and verb in the ing form. Let's add the example. They had been studying for 5 hours. They had been for 5 hours. Children, look on the sentence carefully. We have used had, that is past perfect. We have used ing for the verb studying, and we have used been also. So ultimately it makes past perfect continuous. So action होते वो past start and it is going on. Continuous है इसलिए past में ही start होकर वो अभी भी चल रही होती है. They had been studying for 5 hours. Right? Let's move ahead. She had been posting a letter when she. So here the next sentence is she had been posting a letter when she collapsed. That means she had been writing a letter to the authority when she met with an accident. वो तभी से किसी अथॉरिटी को लेटर लिख रही है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल किसी का एक्सीडेंट हुआ है, किसी को वहां पर इन्फॉर्म करना है ऑफिस में. सो दिस सेंटेंस मेक द मीनिंग ऑफ इट. शी हैड बीन पोस्टिंग अ लेटर व्हेन शी कोलैप्स, मतलब वो तभी से, द एक्शन हैड बीन स्टार्टेड इन द पास्ट. So you can see we have used had, we have used been, and we have used ing. So in this way, children, if you go step by step, when you see the sentence, observe it carefully, then see the helping verbs which are used in it, see the verb form which are used in it, and then make the conclusion which tense it is. I repeat, when you see the sentence, observe it carefully. Don't get jumbled, don't get confused, please. जब तुम सेंटेंस देखते हो और ब्रैकेट में उसका क्वेश्चन देखते हो, आइडेंटिफाई द टेंस. आई नो मेनी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स गेट कंफ्यूज्ड कि व्हाट मे बी द आंसर, कैसे इसको अभी आइडेंटिफाई करें. सो प्लीज गो स्टेप बाय स्टेप. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सी द हेल्पिंग वर्ब. सेकेंड पोजीशन पे क्या यूज किया है. इज, आर है, एम है, वॉज, वेयर है, हैज, हैव, हैड है, व्हाट इट इज यूज्ड ओवर देयर. वर्ब कौन से फॉर्म में है, वेदर इट इज इन पीपी फॉर्म या वर्ब को आईएनजी लगा है. सेकंड में ये देखना है तुम्हें. बीन यूज किया है या नहीं किया है, दैट यू हैव टू सी, एंड देन मेक द कंक्लूजन व्हिच टेंस इट इज. सो इफ यू गो स्टेप बाय स्टेप, आई अश्योर यू चिल्ड्रन, you can very well give the answer, correct answer for the tenses. So here we complete our fourth type of the past tense, right? So we have studied, children, simple past, past continuous, we have studied past perfect, and we have studied past perfect continuous. I hope you have noted down the examples, the brackets, and listen the explanation carefully. The third part is remaining now, the last type of tense, and that is future tense. Give the title as future tense. Okay, the same types are there again: simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. Let's start with simple future. Simple future. Many times you use this sentence unknowingly when you talk to your teacher. Teacher asks you, where is your homework? So what you say, teacher, I will do. अगर नहीं किया है तो I will bring tomorrow. I will do. ऐसे बोलते हो ना. So what is that? Future sentences. You're talking these sentences unknowingly. तुम बोलते हो मैं कल लाऊंगा. Okay teacher, I will bring tomorrow. So what is that? That is simple future. So let's see example. Here you can use bracket as, here we we are using the helping verb. यही ऐसा टेंस है जिसके सिंपल टाइप में हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज होता है. Then that is will and shall. So let's see. I will go to school very soon. है ना, ऐसे लग रहा है ना तुम्हें भी कि अब तुम लोग जल्द ही स्कूल में आओगे, ऐसे लग रहा है. So write that sentence only. I will go to school very soon. मैं जल्द ही स्कूल जाने वाला हूँ. Right? They shall come to my home. They shall come to my home. So these are the simple examples of simple future tense. Note it down, children. Let's move to next type, that is future continuous. Future continuous. Give the title future continuous. Now children, here you know very well what we use for future, that is will or shall. Continuous का अब तुम्हें अच्छी तरह पता हो गया है कि verb जो है ing में यूज होता है. अब यहाँ पर we are going to use be, an extra word here. This is the only tense future continuous where we use one extra word, and that is be. Please remember, be future continuous, be future continuous, be future continuous. Let's have the example. I shall be playing football tomorrow at this time. Means here action is going to happen in future. Action is going to happen in future and you are describing it in the present. तो सिंपल सा यहाँ पे देखो, I shall be playing football tomorrow at this time. मैं इस टाइम पे कल फुटबॉल खेल रहा हूँगा. Right? So here we have used shall and we have used ing form of the verb and we have also used be over here. So ultimately it makes our future continuous tense. Note it down, children. So let's move to another type. Future perfect. Now future perfect. Perfect में तुम्हें पता है have और has use होता है, but here we are going to use only have. Remember, we are going to use only have. Will shall is always there in future. Then we are going to use have plus we will use PP, past participle. सो डोंट बी अफ्रेड ऑफ द लेंथ ऑफ द ब्रैकेट. फ्यूचर के लिए हमने विल शैल किया है, परफेक्ट के लिए हैव किया है. और हैव का फ्रेंड कौन है? पीपी है, तो उसको तो लेना ही है साथ में, है ना. रिमेंबर इन दिस वे. सो लेट्स सी एग्जांपल. The students will have completed their work by 7 p.m. Look here. The students will have completed their work by 7 p.m. Means students जो काम कर रहे हैं वो फ्यूचर में थोड़े टाइम से खत्म होने वाला है. फ्यूचर में आगे थोड़े टाइम से, आफ्टर सम टाइम, at 7 p.m. So the students will, we have used your will, that makes future. We have used your have, that makes future perfect. और have है तो वर्ब का हमने PP फॉर्म लिया है, थर्ड फॉर्म लिया है. The students will have completed their work by 7 p.m. Okay. One more example. He will have left the house before you reach. See here, he will have left the house before you reach. मतलब तुम्हारे पहुंचने से पहले वो जा चुका होगा अपने घर से, है ना. फ्यूचर में आ रहा है ना एक्शन, वो जा चुका होगा अपने घर से तुम्हारे वहां पर पहुंचने से पहले. हम लोग कहते हैं ना ऐसे सेंटेंस कभी कभी, वो तो जा चुका होगा, तुम पहुंचोगे तब तक. सो इन दिस वे यू कैन से he will have left the house before you reach. Here we have used will, we have used have, which makes future perfect, and you can see the third form of the verb. Leave, left, left. इसका प्रेजेंट फॉर्म क्या है? लीव, LEAVE. जब ये मीटिंग खत्म होता है तो लीव करते हो ना तुम लोग, LEAVE. दैट इज प्रेजेंट फॉर्म, प्रेजेंट एक्शन, present form of the verb. And left, this is the past, this is the second also and third form also of the verb. Leave, left, left. So he will have left the house before you reach. Okay. So I hope you have understood also and you are noting down also. Let's go to the next type, and that is fourth one, future perfect continuous. Okay, don't be afraid of the length of the words. हमें अभी ब्रैकेट बनाना अच्छी तरह आता है, so let's do that. फ्यूचर में तो will और shall we have to use. Then perfect में आ गया have. अब यहाँ पर continuous है children, we will use verb in the ing form. But here एक मेहमान आता है. Which one is that? Yes, bean. है ना? Last के type में bean. Mr. Bean. Mr. Bean over here. So remember, future perfect continuous. Future के लिए will shall, perfect के लिए have, continuous के लिए verb ing, and our guest in the last type of the tense, that is been. Let's see the example. By the end of this year, we shall have completed 10 years in this school. See, by the end of this year, we shall have completed 10 years in this school. See the sentence, children. We have used shall, that is future. We have used have, that is perfect. And have है तो PP use किया है. So, sorry, we shall have, it is, we shall have been completing. In this school. We shall have been completing 10 years in this school. मतलब इस साल के खत्म होते होते हमें हमारी स्कूल में 10 years complete हो जाएंगे. अभी हुए नहीं है. By the end of this year. ठीक है, ये फ्यूचर है इसलिए अभी हुए नहीं है. फ्यूचर में वो एक्शन कंप्लीट होने वाली है. So here, by the end of this year, we shall have been completing 10 years in this school. So we have used been and we have used ing with the verb completing. Note it down the sentence. Example. Okay. So I hope children you have understood all the type of tenses. We have studied present, past and future, and we have studied the subtypes of all these three tenses. Always remember, in tenses, the verb and the helping verbs both are very important, and the brackets which we have created over here, I told you in the beginning, I am not going to teach you with the S plus VO object and all that formula. Yes, it is also correct, but many times I have seen that students get boring of those formulas. They don't show any interest. Now I hope I have tried my best to at least soothe your tension of the tenses. अब तुम ब्रैकेट खुद क्रिएट कर सकते हो और आइडेंटिफाई भी कर सकते हो सेंटेंस. एंड इफ यू आर आस्क्ड टू ट्रांसफॉर्म फ्रॉम वन टेंस टू अनदर, दैट आल्सो यू कैन डू वेरी वेल. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, ये जो नाम दिया है उसका ब्रैकेट साइड में लिख लेना है अपनी बुक में. व्हेन यू आर ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग द टेंस वन फ्रॉम वन टेंस टू अनदर टेंस, तो साइड में ये ब्रैकेट बना लो नाम को देखकर. सी द नेम एंड मेक द ब्रैकेट एंड देन do the sentence. Okay children, so have a good day everybody. Okay, bye from me.
Yes,
Bye
teacher, thank you.
everybody.
Thank you,
Okay
teacher.
sir, thank you.